Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can download a video from Facebook. Also, if you are interested in Facebook marketing, like how to grow and make more money from Facebook, check out our free Facebook resources and sign up for a free newsletter below. But now let me show you how you can download a video from Facebook. First you need to open the video in question. Then you have to click share, scroll to the right, click on more, and then you have to tap save to files and choose the specific location you want to save it to and just click save. Alright, so all in all, this is how you download a video from Facebook. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with Facebook checklist for free, or the Facebook page growth checklist and other Facebook marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, we have a free weekly Facebook marketing newsletter that you can also sign up below. And last but not least, if this tutorial wasn't up to date, make sure to check the more detailed and updated tutorial blog post as well that you can also find in the video description below.